Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can basically see like if someone has saved your post on Instagram. So you're going to want to press these three lines on the top right corner, go to settings and go to account, and you are going to switch to a professional account. Continue. This you can just press whichever you want and just not display it on profile. If you don't want to, press done. And I'm just going to wait for a few seconds because it says it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. I'm just going to select creator and press the X, and I am going to then go to a picture that I posted and view insights. And here, as you can see, a person has saved a post, but like you can see like the numbers, and you can see like I think if they've like shared your post or something, and you can just see like how many accounts it has reached and like the impressions of it. You can also see the profile visits and follows, but that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching.